Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vinod Singh and today we'll talk about SC-500. You must heard about it. This Microsoft has officially introduced a brand new security certification called SC-500 and the certification is named Microsoft Security Cloud and AI Security Engineer Associate. That's really justifying. And that's not the big thing. The big question is SC-500 simply the next version of SC-500 or is it a completely new approach to the cloud security? So in this video, we will answer that question and show you why this certification is becoming one of the most important Microsoft security certifications for IT professionals. And we'll also walk you through everything you will learn in this course. How this entire YouTube series is going to help you to become an enterprise ready and cloud based security engineer. That understanding, you will also get it from this video. So let's get started and dive in. The very first thing we should know why SC5. As we all know, the world of cybersecurity has changed dramatically. Organizations are no longer securing just virtual machines and the network. Today, they are protecting identities, cloud infrastructure, Microsoft 365, AI applications, Copilot, hybrid environment, multi-cloud resources. And to address these evolving security challenges that Microsoft has introduced SC5. This certification focuses on securing the entire Microsoft ecosystem from user identities to cloud workloads and modern AI services, and not just a standard security with zero trust security approach. So if you're planning to build a career in Microsoft's cloud security, this certification is definitely worth considering for you. Now, the next important question comes, who should take this course? So this course is basically designed for almost everyone, those who are dealing with the cloud and the infrastructure. Either you are a cloud security engineer or Azure administrator or Microsoft 365 administrator. Even you are just an identity administrator who is responsible to take care of users, groups, and other identity related objects. You can think of it. And if you are already in the security, like SOC analyst or the security engineers, or even you're just an IT professional who is responsible to play with this Microsoft cloud infrastructure and their services, can think of taking these courses. So in short, I would say if you have the basic understanding of Azure and Microsoft Entra, you will be able to follow this course comfortably. You don't need to worry about that. Hey, I first need to go with this particular one, then only I can think of it. Now, the very important part of this, what exactly we are going to learn in this course, as we already had a AZ500, we explored it. So this SC500 course is divided into multiple learning path and it has many. This is not a new thing. You know that Microsoft official courses are coming with their learning paths and each learning path will have dedicated discussion. So the very first learning path that we will get under this SC500 is securing identities with Microsoft Entra, because everything starts with identity, users, your endpoints. We will explore here how we are going to protect our users, administrators, using multiple security services like multi-factor authentication, confidential access, identity protection, passwordless authentication, privileged identity management. So by the end of this section, we all will learn and understand how these organizations implement a strong zero trust identity strategy. Then we'll move to the next learning path, which is about secure Azure infrastructure. And that is completely focused on securing the entire Azure environment. And here, we will explore how this role-based access control works, managed identity, Azure policy, Azure key vault, resource security, and the infrastructure protection. And this will help you to ensure your cloud resources are configured securely from the day one. After that, we'll move towards securing networking. I don't need to tell how important this part is, because a secure infrastructure is incomplete without securing the networking. In this learning path, we will work with network security and there we'll try to explore network security group, Azure firewall, DDoS protection, private link, VPN gateway, and secure connectivity like private access and other things. So this part will help you to reduce the organization attack surface. Then we'll move towards the learning path 4, that is about securing compute, storage, and database. And here we will learn how to secure this Microsoft workloads, which is running on Azure or even non-Microsoft. So we will cover the virtual machine, container, storage accounts, Azure SQL, encryption, access control, backup security, and workload protection to keep your business critical data safe. Now we will move towards the very important part of security area, which is protecting your workload with Microsoft Defender. And this is one of the most exciting section of this particular course. Here, we will explore how this Microsoft Defender ecosystem works, including Microsoft Defender for Cloud, Defender for Endpoint, Defender for Identity, Defender for Office 365, or even Defender for XDR. And we will learn these services, how it works together to detect, investigate, and respond to a modern cyber threats. Then we'll move towards secure AI workloads. As we know, the organization has started adopting AI, and security become more important than ever. Because now, being a security professional, it is your responsibility to protect that AI uses. Either AI is using something, or I mean your data, or the users. Here in this, we will explore how to secure Azure AI services, Azure OpenAI, Copilot, AI-powered applications, AI identities, and how my sensitive data are being used by these systems. This is also going to be the part of this. Then we'll move towards the learning part 7. That learning part 7 is about monitoring. Monitoring of what? Monitoring of security and improving the security posture, because security is an ongoing process. It's not like one time you implemented it and you're done. You have to continuously think of, hey, where is the loophole and how we are going to fix it. In this particular module or the learning part, we will see how to monitor your environment, improve your security score, identity security risks, and how we are going to strengthen our entire cloud security posture and continuously protect our organization against the evolving threats. Now, the question comes, okay, that is fine. We got to know these are the things that SC-500 covers. But how this series is going to help you to become expert of this and start protecting your entire workload? Because this series is not going to be just exam prep series where I'll be talking about, hey, these are the key points that you just need to keep in your mind. Instead, in this series, you will get a way means easy to understand concept. Then we'll also explore the architecture explanation. Then we'll go with the hands-on demonstration, how these things are being implemented. We'll talk about the real-world implementation scenarios. And we'll also talk about the best practices and exam tips. Also, the interview-focused discussion. By the end of this entire playlist, you will not only be prepared for this SC-500 certification, but you will also gain the practical skills needed to implement Microsoft Cloud and AI security solutions. If you are serious about becoming a Microsoft Cloud and AI security engineer, this series is definitely going to help you. So make yourself ready for this, and I'll see you in next video where we will start exploring the learning path 1, which is securing identity with Microsoft Entra, and we'll start our SC500 journey. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next.